Guys, for my oily friends out there, meron na tayong sweat-proof, smudge-proof, Pangkilay besties. And so, nakita ko to sa TikTok shop and I've been eyeing this product since kiniklaim niya is this is a smudge-proof, waterproof, and long-lasting talaga siya na pangkilay. And I will show you the before and after of the application sa aking kilay and then I'll reveal the product. So, guys, this is the before and this is after. Oh my god, guys, ang ganda-ganda niya and nag-off-taking ako kahapon and it lasts long hanggang nakauwi ako. Meron pa din. Siguro magmula 8 a.m. till, anong oras na nakauwi? Mga alas 9 na siguro. So, almost 12 hours to be exact. And, as in, oily na oily ako. Sobrang oily ko person. Hindi ako makahanap ng magandang pangkilay, be. Hirap na hirap ako. So, may idea na ba kayo? Oops! So, this brand is from Kim Yus and my shade is black brown. Ito yung kanilang waterproof liquid eyebrow. So, smudge proof to and pag nag-set siya, be, hindi na siya gagalaw. And, oily friendly siya! Oh my God! So, approve na approve sa akin to. Gagamitin ko to for events na pang matagalan talaga and highly recommended for those oily skin. Friend, ko dyan, mga Maria, bilhin nyo na to. Ganda-ganda niya. And, yun lang. Bye-bye!